Are these popcorns? Lalaki ng mga pretzel, guys. Ano, magkano ang halaga nitong pretzel na to? 3.8 euros. Depende sa flavor. Ito yung makikita dito sa Frankfurt. May Christmas Village ulit. Just like Koblenz at saka Luxembourg. Yung mga structures dito magaganda. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-famous nilang structure. Yung tatlong magkakatabing building na mayroong bubong na parang staircase daw.
Wow!
My favorite apples na may iba't ibang flavor. I like this one. Try natin bumili mamaya. Tingnan nyo to. Ganda ng basurahan niya, oh. May shape pa siya ng bahay. Basurahan yan, guys. Oh. Yan, oh. Oh. Anong na? We'll try German sausage.
Habt ihr ein bisschen Kleingeld?
Ich habe gar nichts.
Auch
Ich
nichts?
habe von meiner Tochter schon bekommen.
Okay, gut. Dann guck schon mal beim Kiosk da hinten.
Hello. Hello. Do you have your best seller?
Beef or pork?
Beef. Beef, please.
Rindswurst. Frankfurter Rindswurst.
How much is that?
5 euro.
Okay, one please. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All good. Thank you. Seller review. So, tayo po ay nakabili ng ating ref magnet na collection at ref magnet na map yung kanyang design together with this one. One of my collections also, painting. Ganda, no? Isasama natin yan sa mga nakapost sa office. Souvenir from Germany. What is this, Pink?
This is a strawberry chocolate.
Strawberry chocolate. Oh, dog.
Dog?
Yes. Can you
Bag?
slice? Slice. Okay, thank you. That's three. Bawal daw slice dito, kaya buo nating nakuha to, no? 3.5 euros. Let's try. Fresh siya. Sa room. This is the room here in our Germany location. So as you can see, here is the bedroom. And then here is our CR. Okay, may bathtub. As usual, wala na namang bidet.